First, take the big cloth leg of our party secretary and mash it. Hey! This damn weather. It might rain again. These days, it's been raining continuously. And the mushroom cloud here in our Liangshan has already rotted and spoiled. In a while, we need to deal with it. Brother Bing. Huh? Our lobster traps were washed ashore. And the lobsters are rotten. This is probably due to the typhoon. They're all rotten. Later, we had to use them. And the sea devil fish as bait. The fish will definitely love this taste. To save more time, Xiaoli and I split up. He is in charge of taking the smelly cuttlefish to the pond we found for fishing, while I am putting the crushed crayfish into our fish trap and throwing it into the sea. The wind and waves have been particularly strong these days, and I hope this fish trap will bring us some results. Due to the lengthy wait required for baiting, I took my weapons and headed to the back of the island with Absolute to test our luck. At this moment, Xiaoli also discovered many shells on the way back. It started to rain after this scene. Hey! The heavier the rain, the more crabs there are. This guy is quite big. Hey! How come there's one crab missing in here? Where did the crab go? Xiaoli, I caught a few green crabs. The fire is ready. Quickly grab the pot and bowls to cook the crabs. Today's green crabs are quite big. Come on, Xiaoli, that's enough. Let's start. It's raining again today. Wow. This time, Old Way did a great job. Next year, let's get a few more.